Thank you Bulgarian customers for choosing EA640F2 indoor LED display. This product stands out for its excellent visual effects and innovative front maintenance design. The LED module, power supply, and receiving card can be easily maintained from the front, which greatly simplifies the installation and maintenance process. With high brightness, high contrast, and accurate color reproduction, EA640F2 has become an ideal solution for indoor fixed installation. It is suitable for conference centers, stage backgrounds, exhibitions, and other scenes. Its stable and reliable performance and humanized design bring customers an efficient and convenient use experience, helping to create a shocking visual feast.